there, welcome back to another chicken video. These here are our older baby chicks. They're not really much babies anymore, they're getting pretty big. I believe they're about a month old. They're getting a little jumpy. They want to get out. They want to, go eat some grass, peck some bugs, but still a little young yet. They keep jumping out, and I find them running around down here on the floor when I come down to check on them. So, over here are layers. These are our younger babies. They're about 2 weeks old, give or take, or probably a little bit older. Now, you can see here, about the size of them. Over here's our broilers. You can see this guy here. He's growing so fast his feathers aren't even growing in. I mean, they're probably maybe double, triple the size. We just filled that with food last night, and I just filled it up again. That drinker, about 3 times a day, needs to be filled. That little one for these ones, maybe once a day. So, I mean, you can just see the difference. Now, for our food situation, this here's a 50-pound bag of chick starter. We bought a 15-pound bag when we got these. Then about 2 weeks later, we bought this. Now, we didn't open up this. The 15-pound bag lasted us 3 weeks. And then we bought this about a month ago. So that's a little bit, some scale for you. So this bag's probably lasted us 3 weeks so far. Feeding these and these chickens here. Just give you an idea on how much food they're going to eat. But they're growing fairly quick. I'm not quite sure which each one is. I'm pretty sure this one's an Americana. That one might be too. The white ones are probably the Leghorns. We'll find out when I get older. So the reason why we got all these chickens is, one, the eggs we're gonna get from them is a lot better than the garbage you get in the store. Reason number 2 is because the way they raise chickens is, kind of sick. They get the worst food in the world. So our plan is we're going to have some good eggs and we're going to have some good meat. It's healthier food. And if you've been, and that paired with our garden, we ought to be nice. It'll subsidize our food supply a lot. If you don't have some chickens, I really recommend getting them. New Jersey is where we live. It's a right to farm state. So you could be living in the city in New Jersey, and as long as you have the space, you can have chickens. So you got to check your laws and stuff like that on the state level, depending on which state you live in, and your city ordinances, their adaptation of that. So I live in a rural town, and they say that you can't have chickens unless you're zoned agriculture, but the state levels can overrule that. So you can see they're ready to jump out. I gotta put these trays back over the top. They knock them down, but it slows them down a little bit, so they all don't jump out. Only the braver few do. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button down below, and ring the bell for notifications. That way you can brag about to all your friends that you saw Big Jim Country Boy's video before they did, because they probably didn't ring the bell for notifications. So, we'll see you in the next one.